We are in room 1130. This is Garden Queen. And when you walk in, there is a nice entryway here with a closet. And the closet has a safe. There's a luggage rack, some hangers, ironing board, looks like extra bedding, maybe a pillow. And there is a blow dryer in there. And then as I flip around, there's just a wall, but I just want to note, not really sure what happened to this wall and if the if it's picking it up, but something crazy has happened in this room, I'm gonna say. So as you walk in, here is a little bar area. Here's a little Nespresso or Keurig, I guess it's a Keurig coffee maker, an ice bucket, 2 bottles of Fiji water, and then all of the accoutrement for the coffee maker. And then in here is a little fridge. Little is the operative word. And then here's a drawer, just a little drawer. And then as you flip around, here is the bathroom. It has a nice large area here that's very open with a big sink area with some little toiletry items, a nice bright mirror, and then also a magnifying mirror and lots of storage underneath there. I don't really know why you'd need that. But then as you come into the bathroom, there's a nice little sink here, which is nice to kind of have the double sinks, a toilet, and a nice tiled shower and bathtub. And then as we come into the room, the one thing that I want to say about all these Lowe's rooms at Universal is they're all nice and big. So I think that they're maybe a little bit bigger than your average hotel room. So there are 2 queen beds, and this room is a little, like it's shaped a little differently, which is kind of nice. This is kind of cool. This is, I can't even see it, on the mirror, it has a little measuring stick, I guess, yardstick. And it says how tall all of these artists are. So you can see, I'm not sure you can see it. Pat Benatar was 5 feet, Lady Gaga's 5'2", Beyonce's 5'6", Adele, Justin Timberlake, Elvis Presley, James Taylor. That's pretty cool. So over the bed is a really nice headboard. There is a little light right there, a little reading light. Cute little pillow that says quiet please. These are 2 queen beds. And then in the middle here we have the phone, the alarm clock, 2 little lamps, another bed here that says, another bed with a pillow that says, be nice. And then we have 2 chairs with cute little peace sign, another peace sign pillow. And we look out onto, this is a garden view room, so we do look out onto the pool. We don't have really a great view of the pool, but those are the cabanas. And there are also lounge chairs right there. I kind of wish there was a, like this walked out, that would be cool. But it does not. And then as we flip around here, a nice piece of art, kind of looks like speakers, which is kind of cool. And as I look up, I'm not sure what happened there, but we'll just ignore that for now. And then we have the nice table. This is kind of high. It's kind of a high, it's a high table. It's about waist height with some plugs in, some USBs, a little lamp, and then a nice big TV with a remote that's been sanitized, and then a set of drawers. This can be a connecting room, separate air conditioning unit, but there it is. This is the 2-bedroom garden view at the Hard Rock Hotel, Universal Orlando.